In this video, I'll show you how to make text highlights effects in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your CapCut. So come on to this option, click on text. So I'm going to click on add text. I'm going to come on here and type in whatever I want to type in. I can just type in God is good. God is good. So I'm going to click on this. Yeah, so this is it. So I'm going to click on styles. I'm going to reduce the size of this to be just normal. I'll click on black. I want to use black, so I'll reduce it. So I'm going to reduce the opacity of this as well. So you're going to be able to see effects. So click on effects. So this is where the works comes in. You can be able to choose the effect you want for this. So I can just use this. So you can be able to come in and select the one you want. All right. So let me say I want to use this. Wait for it to load up. Let's see how it's gonna be. Or let's say, okay, let me just, okay, yeah, so exactly, so this is it. So I'm gonna go back to my styles. I'm gonna reduce the size of this. I can just come on here and reduce this and find somewhere and add it. So this is it. So you can be able to come in and also adjust the length of where you want it to be in this video. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.